Okay, hi. Ito na yung fourth video ng ating How to Make Money Online video series. Okay, brought to you by thinkbigpinoy.com. Ang gagawin natin today is ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng hub pages. Okay, na ganito. Meron kayong picture and then meron kayong content. Now, saan kayo kukuha ng content? And ito na yung hyperlink ninyo. This is your affiliate link. Pag may nag-click dito, you'll be redirected dun sa website na merong binebentang product, and then pag bumili yung nag-visit sa inyong website, that's a commission dun sa inyong ClickBank account. Okay? So, while we're still waiting for ayan, nag-load na. So, ito yung affiliate product na binebenta through your affiliate link dun sa inyong hub pages, and this cost $39. So, if they buy through your affiliate link, you will earn around $23. So, not bad for a one sale and for less than 1 day of your work. Okay? So, saan ba kayo kukuha ng content na ilalagay nyo dito? Simple lang. Now, you have two options. First is to create your own article. If you create your own article, okay, make sure na related dun sa inyong keywords. So, get my wife back, give some tips on how to get your wife back. Simply do some search on the internet, okay? Or kung may alam kayo, magbigay ng sarili ng tips. Make sure na it has 500 words to 1,000 words, okay, yung buong article ninyo. And you're going to put a link mamaya sa baba. Or yung next na option ninyo is kumopya lang content. So, punta lang kayo sa ezinearticles.com. Dito kayo kukuha ng inyong pwedeng ilagay sa webpage ninyo, sa hub pages. So, simply type the keyword. Lagay nyo lang dyan yung keyword dun sa search box, and you'll be able to get lots of articles here. Okay, so ito na nag-load. So click on this article. Now, hindi nyo pwedeng kopyahin kasi first copyright. Kung kokopyahin nyo man yan, make sure kasama yung nasa baba, pero hindi rin siya magandang i-cut and paste kasi duplicate content yan. So kailangan original content. Now, I have two suggestions kung paano nyo to gagawing original content. Pwede, number one is pwede nyo i-rewrite ito word for word or sentence by sentence, okay? Or i-rewrite nyo siya by paragraph, or basahin ninyo, reword ninyo, create your own article. Remember, 500 to 500 words. Okay, usually you'll spend around 30 minutes to finish the writing this article. Okay, so pag nagawa nyo na yung article ninyo, i-post nyo siya sa hub pages, just click on the edit. So, malalagay niyan. Just make sure na yung keyword ninyo nandun sa title, nandun sa first paragraph, and nandun sa last paragraph. So, very important ha. So, wag nyo na masyadong punuin ng puro keywords na get my wife back, kasi hindi rin naman magandang pakinggan. And hindi rin yun gusto ng Google. So, simple lang, put it in the title, put in the first paragraph, and put it in the last paragraph. Okay, now ito yung hyperlink. So pag kinlik mo yan, pupunta ka dito sa labas, and pagpunta dito sa labas, you'll be able to access, okay, yung affiliate na product na pinopromote niyo. Now, paano kayo kukuha ng affiliate link? Go back to your ClickBank marketplace. Okay, so punta kayo sa clickbank.com. Okay, dito sa clickbank.com, click on the marketplace. Okay, find the product that you are promoting. Okay. Okay, just click it. Type nyo lang dun sa search button, the search box. Okay. And then may makikita kayo ritong promote. Okay, and then just click on the promote here. Yan, may lalabas ditong affiliate link. Now, naalala niyo yung account name niyo sa clickbank.com, ilagay niyo lang dyan. So, kunyari, yan yung account name ko sa clickbank.com, account 123. Now, just put a tracking ID para mas maalala ninyo kung ano ba yung inyong product, okay? Or kung saan nyo ba pinost yan. So, hub pages, get my wife back, ito yung keyword na ginamit ko. And then click on the create button. Now what will happen is you will have this affiliate link. Ito na yung link ninyo Kaya lang medyo hindi magandang tignan kasi mukha talagang affiliate. Medyo paiksiin yan. Simple lang, just go to tiny.cc. Okay. Tiny.cc. Ang gagawin ng tiny.cc ay paikliin niya yung inyong affiliate link para mas mukhang professional and para hindi magmukhang affiliate link. Remember, ang gusto nyong palabasin dito sa mga nagbabasa sa inyong internet is you're trying to help them and you're not really trying to sell them. So, avoid yung mga words like buy, purchase, okay? So, ito na, yung mahaba kanina na link na web page, ito na siya ngayon. This is your affiliate link. Ito na umikli na po. Okay, just copy it, okay? And then, go back to your hub pages. Okay, paano ba maglagay ng link? Simple lang. Click on the edit, okay? So, for example, ito yung gusto mong lagyan ng link. Ayan, click here. Okay, click here to know more. Okay, highlight nyo lang yan. And then, click here. Oops. Click here. Okay, just wait for it na mag-load. And then, put the link na nakopya ninyo kanina. And then, click on the insert. Okay, now you have your URL. So, pag click nyo yung save, nakagawa na kayo ng link. So, buburahin ko na lang yan mamaya. Okay? Ito na yung nagawa mo link. So, kung gusto nyo mas malaki, palitan nyo lang yung format ng paragraph into heading para mas malaki yung text. Okay? So, ang next na video natin is paano ba natin to ipopromote. Now, okay. By the way, I almost forgot. Saan ba to kinuha yung picture? Simple lang. Go to, don't get in any picture from the internet because of copyright issues. Go to flickrcc.bluemountains.net. You type the picture or the word na gusto ninyo. Ang tinype ko dyan ay wife. So, para kasi related sa how to get my wife back. Okay? What you need to do here is you need to click on the commercial and for editing. So, para hindi kayo magkaroon ng problema, para walang problema sa copyright issues, you can use this on your own website. Click on the commercial and for editing. Okay? So, ito yung kaninang ginamit kong picture. Ayan. Just right-click on the image. Right-click and then click on the copy image location. Okay? And then click on the edit. Okay? Ang gagawin niyo, click nyo lang dito sa my web. Lagay nyo dito yung URL. Right-click nyo dito and then paste. Okay? Right-click and then paste. And then click on the load button. Okay, makikita nyo, maglo-load na yung picture. Pag nag-load na yung image, okay, ayan na, nag-load na yung image. Okay? So, delete ko lang yung doble. Okay? And then, click on the save button. Okay? Now, you have your own picture. Importante ang picture sa website ninyo kasi it will add curiosity, it will add impact. So, magkakaroon ng visual impact para sa client niyo. Hopefully, your client will be able to, yung user ninyo, hopefully will be able to read more of your post. Okay? On the next video, I'll show you how to promote your website. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.